Adding cool animations can make a website look better, but too many can confuse people. If you want to make your website more attractive, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to make a nice web page with eye-catching animations using something called GSAP, GreenSock Animation Platform. Before we start, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss our new tutorials. Now let's see what we're making. A good-looking web page with smooth animations. We'll use GSAP, a helpful tool that makes adding animations easy. To keep things simple, you can add GSAP directly to your web page using CDN. Once you've added GSAP, just put a special code on an element using JavaScript, and it will start animating. Ready to make your website more interesting? Let's begin. Start by setting up a basic HTML structure. In the head section, write title of your choice scroll animation and create a link to your CSS style sheet with rel style sheet and ref style CSS. And everything will go in the body section. Create a div with class page and ID pagine. Create a div with ID name. Create a home easy lattice. Now create a ULE. Create a Lee home. Similarly about contact. Similarly create H2 sign up and create a div with class home container. Create a div with ID left. Create a home unlimited. Similarly web design. Create a span. Create a EMG with class circle, IMG, and Sersi Imagione, JPG, and all. Then create a span. Create a EMG with class circle EMG and SRC image2, JPG, and all. In addition, create a span. Create a IMG with class circle IMG and CSC image3, JPG, and all. Also, create a div with class page2. Create a div with class bar. Create a H2 Quantum Skyforge. And create a paragraph using p tag, and inside it, write leveraging gravitic propulsion for unparalleled aerial mobility. Furthermore, create a div with class box. Create a H2 Skyborne Innovations, lab it, and create a paragraph using p tag, and inside it, write pioneering anti-gravity solutions for the next era of transportation. As well as create a div with class box. Create a H2 Neural Sky Upgrades. And create a paragraph using p tag, and inside it write integrating neural networks for autonomous flight and navigation. Then create a script with SRC, HTTPS, CDNJs, Cloudflare.com, Ajax Libs, GSAP 3.12.3, GSAP Min, JS, and Cross-Origin Anonymous, and Referrer Policy, no Referrer Policy, no Referrer. In the same manner with SRC, HTTPS, CDNJs, Cloudflare.com, Ajax Libs, GSAP 3.12.3 Scroll Trigger Min JS, and Cross-Origin, Anonymous, and Referrer Policy, no Referrer Policy, no Referrer. With SRC script, JSEs. Let TL is equal to gsap.timeline. Let time is equal to gsep.timeline. TL dot from nav oname, nav uli, nav h2. Y100, delay 1, opacity 0, duration 1, stagger 0.2, time dot from left on, X100, delay 1, opacity 0, duration 1, stagger 0.3, time dot from right AMG. Scale 0, opacity 0, duration 1, stagger 0.1, immediacy, statistics, GSAP dot from dot page 2 dot box. Y100, opacity 0, duration 1, stagger 0.4, scroll trigger dot page 2 dot box. Import URL TTS fonts .googleapis.com cs2 family is equal to Liber plus Franklin WAT 400 500 600 889 100 display is equal to swap. Margin 0, padding 0, color FAF. Box sizing border box, nice and then dikit and content. Body width 100, height 100, background color black, font family Liber, Franklin sans serif. Dot page width 100, height 100 vhz, padding 0.60 px, background URL image .jpg, background attachment fixed, background position center, background size cover, nave width 100, height 100 ppx, display flex, flex direction row, align item center, justify content space between, border bottom 2x solid, DDD, nav lee, font size 20 pixels, list style none, text transform uppercase, padding 0.40 pixels, nav ule, display flex, flex direction row, align items center, dot home container, width 100, height 600 ppx, display flex, align item center, dot page 1, width 100, height 94 inches, display flex, align item center, justify content center, left horn, font size 90 px, line height 100 ppx, font weight 500, text transform uppercase, left width 50, J index 1, data cell AC, R87 Mukund and KLA, dot circle EMJ, disability center, Oasis Max 17, width 100 ppx, height 100 ppx. Border radius 50. Margin left 50 pi x. Object fit cover. Border 7 pi x solid. 0 at 10 DCM not current. I at not dilated and subita x. 0 be duo. On spanning the child 1 danes. Is the child. Energy and the child. And up 10 9. Margin left 40 pi x. Dot box. Width 390 px. Height 300 px. Padding 15 px. Margin 50 px. Text align center. Display flex. Flex direction column. Align items center. Justify content center. Border radius 20 pi x. Again, column 0. Border 3 pi pixel DFFF. Box H2 and margin bottom 20 px. Font size 40 px. Dot box P. Font size 20 px. Media screen and max width 1000 ppx. Left width 100. Margin 50 px 0. Right width 100. Left horn. Font size 60 px. Line height 80 px x. Dot circle in MD. OG board and ZC. Not kick out size. Width 70 px. Height 70x. Border 3px. Solid 0.10. I can edit that text search. Nav Lee. Font size 16 px. Padding 0ps 20 px. Dot home container. Flex direction column. Height. Fit content. Dot box. Width fit content. Height fit content. Margin 20 px. Right image J. Width 100. Z index 4. Border radius 30 px. Estate 10 on modern and savvy. Dot box H2. Margin bottom 20 px. Font size 30 px. Dot box P. Font size 15 px.